बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये देखिए कैरन पोलार्ड ने किस तरह श्रीलंका के खिलाफ टी20 मैच में 6 बॉलों पर 6 छक्के लगाकर युवराज सिंह और हर्षल का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया। वीडियो पूरा देखिए, बहुत मजा आएगा। मजे की बात यह है कि इस ही मैच में इससे पहले ओवर में धनंजय ने हैट्रिक किया था। ये वही धनंजय है जिस पर बाद में कप्तान कैरन पोलार्ड ने एक ओवर में 6 छक्के लगाकर सूद समेत बदला वापस किया। वीडियो पूरा देखिए, बहुत मजा आएगा। और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
He gets it there by some distance. Kieron Pollard.
Power of this man, Pollard. Initially, it looked as though he hit it. He's cleared the boundary quite easily. Gone with the wind.
No doubt about that one. It's a six-hitting festival either side of the 4 wickets that have fallen.
Second six for Pollard. I think that was a break. Second six for Pollard in as many deliveries. This one straight down the ground. Too full from Dhananjaya on this occasion.
And West Indies will have to balance the six-hitting with judicious batting. He goes again. 3 in 3 for the West Indies captain. A bemused look on the face of Dhananjaya.
Captain Angelo Matthews going to offer some suggestions to Akila Dhananjaya. But it's a hat trick of sixes for Kieron Pollard. We saw it firstly by Evan Lewis, and now by Kieron Pollard.
To get the length right is the key thing here for Dhananjaya. We've seen the leg break and the googly. He's had problems with his bowling action in 2019. He was out of the game for a year, having debuted in 2012 in the World Cup in Sri Lanka. Can he get the length right? No, he can't. Make it a dose of 4 for Kieron Pollard.
Unbelievable hitting by Baker and Pollard. Still too full. Still way too full from Dhananjaya. 4-6 for Kieron Pollard in 4 deliveries. A bit of a counter-attack by the West Indies captain.
At this point, that Herschel Gibbs and Warner Parkinson kits with 6 sixes and an over. Yuvraj Singh in South Africa. Stuart Broad. 6 sixes. Not calling for it. They're saying it's on the horizon. Length too full. Don't think he got all of that one. Definitely got all of that. There's a little bit of fade on it as well. And this is where he's improved his offside game, Pollard. This ground isn't big enough if he middles it.
Even if he doesn't middle it, Vish. Didn't middle the first one.
Sometimes.
9 sixes already hit by the West Indies. They've lost 4 wickets, but they've already hit 9 sixes.
he was almost directly behind the bowler. Oh, goodness. 5 sixes. And all of a sudden, Herschel Gibbs and Yuvraj Singh start jogging your memory. Can Pollard make it 6 from 6?
Wow. A massive hit from Kieron Pollard. 5 sixes in 5 balls. Can he make it 6?
Going round the wicket. 6 sixes for Kieron Pollard. Herschel Gibbs, Yuvraj Singh, you have company. And a little bow to the waving gallery of his teammates for the West Indies captain. 98 for 4.